Welcome back to our cozy corner of rustic vintage inspiration, where every season becomes an opportunity to bring warmth, beauty, and natural charm into our homes. Today's journey is all about nature-inspired home bliss, a decorating style that embraces earthy textures, weathered wood, soft florals, and timeless vintage touches. Whether you live in a countryside cottage or a modern apartment, nature-inspired decor has a magical way of making every space feel peaceful, welcoming, and beautifully lived in. Nature-inspired decor reminds us that beauty does not need to be complicated. A woven basket filled with dried lavender, a vintage ceramic pitcher holding fresh eucalyptus, or a reclaimed wooden tray on a coffee table can instantly create a calming atmosphere. Rustic decor thrives on imperfection, and that is what makes it feel authentic and comforting. Every natural element tells a story and creates a connection between the indoors and the peaceful world outside. One of the easiest ways to create nature-inspired bliss is by inviting outdoor elements into your home. Fresh greenery, olive branches, wildflowers, and moss arrangements breathe life into any room. Even a simple vase of freshly cut garden blooms can transform an ordinary corner into something magical. Combining these natural touches with vintage accents creates a charming balance between rustic elegance and organic simplicity that feels timeless throughout every season. Nothing captures rustic vintage charm quite like weathered wood. A distressed farmhouse table, aged floating shelves, or antique wooden frames instantly bring warmth and character into a home. The textures and imperfections in old wood create a feeling of history and comfort that modern polished furniture often lacks. Pairing wooden elements with soft linen fabrics and muted natural colors creates an inviting environment that encourages relaxation and peaceful living. Nature-inspired homes often embrace soothing earthy tones that make spaces feel calm and balanced. Warm beige, sage green, creamy white, soft brown, dusty rose, and muted terracotta all work beautifully together. These colors reflect the natural world and help create a relaxing environment filled with warmth and serenity. When combined with rustic textures like burlap, cotton, and aged metal, the result feels effortlessly elegant and deeply comforting. Vintage decor adds personality and emotional warmth to a nature-inspired home. Antique lanterns, old books, chipped pottery, and flea market finds carry stories from the past that make a space feel meaningful and unique. Rather than filling rooms with brand new decorations, rustic styling celebrates treasured items with character. These vintage pieces blend beautifully with natural elements, creating a home that feels collected, personal, and full of nostalgic charm. Every nature-inspired home deserves a cozy corner designed for quiet moments and comfort. A wooden chair layered with soft knitted blankets, a vintage side table, and the gentle glow of candlelight can create the perfect retreat. Adding natural textures like wicker baskets, linen cushions, and dried floral arrangements helps make the space feel warm and inviting. These small corners become peaceful escapes where simple everyday moments feel extra special. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and rustic vintage decor makes it even more welcoming. Open wooden shelves displaying ceramic dishes, glass jars filled with baking ingredients, and fresh herbs growing near the window create a cozy farmhouse atmosphere. Copper accents, woven placemats, and antique kitchen tools add warmth and timeless beauty. Nature-inspired kitchens celebrate simplicity, functionality, and the joy of gathering with loved ones around homemade meals. One of the most beautiful parts of nature-inspired decorating is how effortlessly it changes with the seasons. In spring, fresh tulips and pastel linens bring softness and renewal. Summer welcomes wildflowers, woven textures, and sunlit neutrals. Autumn introduces pumpkins, dried leaves, and warm earthy tones, while winter embraces pine branches, candlelight, and cozy fabrics. Nature provides endless inspiration that keeps a home feeling fresh and beautifully connected to the changing world outside. Soft lighting plays an important role in creating rustic home bliss. Candlelight instantly adds warmth, intimacy, and relaxation to any space. Vintage candle holders, distressed lanterns, and softly glowing fairy lights create a magical atmosphere during quiet evenings at home. Natural scents like vanilla, cedarwood, cinnamon, or lavender enhance the cozy experience even further. The gentle flicker of warm light transforms ordinary rooms into peaceful sanctuaries filled with comfort and charm. Texture is one of the key elements that make rustic vintage spaces feel warm and inviting. Chunky knit blankets, woven baskets, linen curtains, jute rugs, and aged ceramics all contribute to a layered and cozy atmosphere. Nature-inspired decor focuses on tactile beauty that feels soft, comforting, and genuine. Mixing different textures together creates depth and personality while maintaining a harmonious connection with the natural environment. Dried flowers have become a timeless favorite in rustic decor because they bring beauty that lasts beyond the seasons. Pampas grass, lavender, bunny tails, and preserved eucalyptus add softness and elegance to shelves, dining tables, and entryways. Displayed in antique pitchers or vintage glass bottles, dried florals create an effortless natural aesthetic. Their faded tones and delicate textures perfectly complement rustic vintage interiors while adding a peaceful organic touch. Handmade decor pieces bring authenticity and heart into a home. Whether it is hand-woven baskets, embroidered pillows, pottery crafted by local artisans, or homemade wreaths, these details create a meaningful connection to craftsmanship and creativity. Rustic decorating values imperfections because they reflect human touch and individuality. Adding handmade elements alongside natural materials creates spaces that feel deeply personal, warm, and beautifully unique in a world filled with mass-produced items. A nature-inspired bedroom should feel calm, airy, and deeply relaxing. Soft linen bedding, wooden furniture, neutral colors, and gentle lighting help create a peaceful sanctuary for rest. Adding botanical artwork, dried flowers, or woven accents introduces subtle rustic beauty without overwhelming the space. Bedrooms designed with natural simplicity encourage slower living and restful moments, turning everyday routines into comforting experiences filled with warmth and tranquility. The entryway sets the tone for the entire home, and rustic decor makes it feel instantly welcoming. A wooden bench, vintage hooks, woven baskets, and seasonal greenery create a warm first impression for guests and family alike. Simple details like a weathered mirror or a handmade wreath can transform even the smallest entrance into a cozy and charming space. Nature-inspired styling helps every arrival feel comforting and peaceful. Nature-inspired rustic decor is about more than appearance. It reflects a slower and more intentional way of living. It encourages us to appreciate quiet mornings, meaningful gatherings, handmade beauty, and the comfort of simple surroundings. Instead of chasing perfection, rustic homes celebrate warmth, authenticity, and connection. By surrounding ourselves with natural materials and vintage treasures, we create spaces that nurture the soul and bring a sense of calm to everyday life. Thank you for spending this cozy moment exploring the beauty of nature-inspired home bliss. Rustic vintage decor reminds us that home is not about perfection or expensive trends, but about creating spaces filled with warmth, peace, and meaningful charm. By blending natural textures, vintage treasures, earthy colors, and seasonal beauty, we can transform our homes into comforting sanctuaries that celebrate the timeless connection between nature and everyday living.